Hi listeners. Welcome back to Kokotjan channel. Learning English through stories. Now you're going to listen to an English short story. Then write in your comment. What's your suggestion the best title for the story? Let's start listening now.
75. Army camps always have to be guarded, of course, to make sure that nobody goes in or out without permission, otherwise soldiers could go out when they were not supposed to, and anybody could come in at any time and cause all sorts of trouble. There is usually a guard composed of several soldiers at each gate, and the men in the guard take turns to stand at the gate with a gun and stop everyone who wants to go in or out to see their passes. The man on guard is told to say, "Halt! Who goes there?" if anyone comes towards the gate. A soldier was guarding the gate of a camp at night when he heard a sound in the dark. "Halt! Who goes there?" he shouted nervously. "Nobody," a voice answered. The soldier thought for a few seconds and then said, "Well, is there anyone with you?" Find out the best title for the story. If you find it useful for you, please subscribe, give comment, and share this link to others. Thank you.